Hi everyone, so I've just received a parcel from DPD from Samsung, so let's see what's inside. I did order the new Samsung S20, so it comes in a normal box, and just the usual typical box, and here we have the box of the S20. This is the rose gold edition, I believe it's called. Right, so let's have a look what's in the box. So on the top hand side we have a little box with the SIM card opener, or SIM card slot opener, and then the quick start guide. Put them to one side. Here we have the phone. So very similar to the S20, so the S10. Camera is in the middle though. On the S10 it was over here. No headphone jack, which I have to say is a little bit of a disappointment, but I'm sure she'll get used to it. And then here is the back cover of it, the 3 cameras, and the cloud pink colour, which goes all the way around as well at the bottom and on the side. And you'll notice that on this side, we used to have on the S10 the volume buttons and the Bigsby Key. It's now clean, no buttons, and you have the power keys and the power button all on the right hand side this time. There is no Bigsby Key, which is an added bonus. At the top you have the SIM card slot. Let's just have a look. Out, and we shall just have a quick look. So you have the dual SIM or a SIM card and a micro SD card slot. So let's have a quick look what else is in the box. Okay, this is the UK version one, so you have a UK plug, USB-C slot, USB-C cable on both ends. So like the S10, you have the USB-C slot, and then a box with AKG, which is the headphones, a couple of in-ear changers, and then the headphones, which have the volume keys and the microphone, and it is a USB-C cable. So unfortunately, unlike the S10, you cannot charge and listen to music at the same time. It's either one or the other, or you charge it wirelessly. I have to say it feels light, feels good. A little bit bigger than the S10, but it should be interesting to see how it goes. So that was the unboxing video for you. And what we'll do is we'll do another video in a few days with the functionality of the phone. Thank you very much for watching.